How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Lily.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you tall?
No, I am short.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy.
What is your email address?
It's lily@email.com.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do.
What is your nationality?
I'm American.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What does your mother do?
She is a nurse.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have two grandmothers.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
Are your parents kind?
Yes, they are.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna.
Where does your friend live?
She lives in my neighborhood.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, we go out on Saturdays.
Do you call your friends every day?
Not every day, but often.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs with coffee.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I usually relax and watch TV or read a book.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I love it.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you live in a city or village?
I live in a city.
Is your city big?
Yes, it is.
What is your favorite place in your city?
I like the park.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go to the bank?
Yes, to take money.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.